Okay, I'm trying to do as little as possible today, but oops, I'm gonna do just a bit of scrap. Do a little bit of scrap prep here. They like holes in these because they're, I think they do anyways, because they're sealed. Maybe they don't. Thing and either sell it or I'll probably just sell it. Alright, I think I'm gonna
Hi, sir, we're just trying to reach you out just to inform you that this business isn't showing up or even missing in the several major voice platforms, so we just need to verify a few details. You're the owner of the business, right?
Yeah. You want to plug it in real quick?
Yeah. Do you have like a pistol?
This is what it's got. This, and that. That's your for airing up your tire. You put that on. You take this off. You put that on. With this on, then you can put a tool on. Well, look what someone left me here. I think it was Matt across the road here. A nice little brass ashtray. It's actually, it's too good to scrap, isn't it? Shit, what do you do with something like that? Give it to Cruiser to sell. He'll try to sell it for $5. Won't sell. Then he'll scrap and he'll get $3. I could keep the $3. No, my buddy collects ashtrays, so I might see if he wants it. Might try to give it to him. Ooh. Okay, John and I did this pickup today, might have mentioned. And I picked up this horrible table. It's crazily heavy. And I told the woman twice how heavy it was, but she's really keen on getting it. I just want to weigh it here in front of all you fine people. Look at that here. Look at that, 130 pounds. That's a heavy table, dude. There's my girl. Come on my shoulders. Let's go. Let's go. I'm a cat fairy. There we go. And there's the next station. There we go. Well, look at that. It's always nice to get a little reciprocation. I don't ask for it, but she gave me a whole box of these. She must work at Sunrape or something like that. I freaking love these things. Oh, these things are damn good, man. I mean, if you had to buy this, it's fucking be $200 for the fucking strips here. Anyway, I like Fruit Leather, and she was very nice, and I gave her that stupid piece of junk table. Okay. So yeah, the mattress I got yesterday was really nice, good shape, so giving it to a buddy of mine here. All right, here we are in the super badass Safari. So it needs all right, Chris Bird, I'm just stripping out all these shitty crackhead. So I'm just gonna save you that Marantz one. It actually looked pretty good. Anyway, we'll see. I'm gonna sell it to you for scrap price, and that'll be, I think, a little win for both of us. And if you test it, comes out good, then that's cool. All right, I'm gonna strip this one more here, and there we go. Oh, Bryce, see an emergency forming here. Well, Like, why would I go get another hammer when I got a perfectly good metal object in my hands here? Let's see how this works here. Look at that, eh? Look at that, boys. There you go. None the worse for wear. Sorry, Bryce. Okay, doing another monitor repair here. Let's go test it out. Well, I didn't get it, and I think it's going to be harder than what's worth it for me. So, all right, pop some valve here. Super power, man.
Oh yeah, this thing's built for the, what's this, a 15?
Yeah, exactly. It's totally from this era. I think it's going to work good. There's one. All right. The Power Man! Power Man! All right. Right out here.
I got pepperoni here and a toast if you want.
All right, let's see here. Okay. Go like so. All right. Oops. That one goes
Stay out of the way.
there. And then we lock that thing there. And get it right there.
That's it.
That's pretty good. Get the old wheel. Where did I put the wheel? Did I bury it?
Just right up here.
Right up there. Oh, there we go. On the shelf there. I know when Phil does it, he just usually gives it like one little tap, like nothing crazy. Just that's it.
Okay.
Just I don't know. I watch Phil do this thing. He's done
Fuck,
it.
I would. Yeah.
Whatever Phil does.
I would do that.
Hey Phil, he watches all my shows.
Yeah,
Doesn't
it
he?
usually takes a couple goes.
Well, we'll see how it goes. Okay, so that's good there. That's right on the bead there.
Yep.
So let's try her out here. All right, good. That's locked in there. And it's still good. Try it again.
Yeah.
Sometimes what I do is I rotate it. We could try, like what I'll do is I'll loosen it up a little and then I'll turn it a bit. There we go. A little more. Right there. And keep the pressure on there so it doesn't pop.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go. Look at that.
Oh, that was better than mine.
Look at that. Piece of cake. Okay. All right.
Yeah, that was a lot tougher with those little rims, or maybe it was just beginners.
All right, right there. I think there we go. Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, problem is you're not.
Yeah, I'll just spin it there. There we go. There. Down just a bit. There we go. Get my hand in. Okay, yeah. Keep your hand there.
Keep this lifted up.
Oh, look at that, baby.
Too easy.
Super Power Man. All right. Oh yeah, we are done. We are done with this tire. Nice. Okay.
You want to
Cool.
take it off for the drill job, or?
Yeah. No. Let's. Yeah. Maybe. Let's have a look at it. Can we get it from
Let's
there?
take it outside. That'll be.
Yeah. Oh yeah. There's a lot of shit on there, isn't it? It's greasy. This is
like-
greasy.
Some old.
Yeah, I got one of these here. Oh, you got one already. Oh, you're ready. There we go. There. There we go. There. All right.
The other side for that.
Oh yeah. We have to go on the other side. We must. Yeah. All right, put it in the right spot this time.
Yeah, that's pretty good though, right?
Yeah, no, it works good. It works good. This is about as good as it gets. Oh, might not have it. Ah! Yeah, just give it a little fucking elbow grease there. Yeah.
No need to take the weights off.
No, none of that. Is it through? Yeah. Maybe let's hit it with a little, just a little lubricant. Yeah, we didn't lube it at all there. Yeah, I mean, I should not have put the weight there. That was obviously a dumb move.
Yeah, I just pop this off.
Or yeah, well, we will pulp. Yeah, we definitely should. And then also, but oh, this thing right here is if you do have the weight on when you do it, at least put the weight out of the way.
Yeah.
Oh shit, is that rim cracked?
I don't know.
No, it's not cracked through, anyways.
No,
That's fine. Okay. Okay, let's try this out. Oh, I let it pop.
yeah.
That was me. Okay, that's okay. We'll keep it. Okay, we'll try it again. Oh.
This part's tough.
Okay. Okay, let's see here. Or let's see. So like that. If I push there, let me come around here actually.
Yeah.
Let's see here. Okay, you push.
The lever?
Yeah, just go ahead and push.
Yeah, it always wants to.
Oh, there you go. Perfect. Okay. Good enough.
Easy.
Okay, well, yeah, we're only getting one on today anyways. But like I say, it's a little bit easier on the ground. We'll keep it on there. Go nice and easy on it. Like that. And then we go, yeah. And if I put pressure there, but not too much. There we go, it's going, yeah. There's one pop, two, that's it, okay. Hold it there. Okay, nothing too crazy going on today. Gonna get rid of some shred, some e-waste, some tires. We got some number 2 ICW. Got some copper aluminum rads. Got a bit of brass. Got some transformers, some motors. That's about it. Got some bottles and cans. I'm doing a run up to Salmon Arm on the week. Okay, unfortunately I wasn't able to dig through the bags. That was the B&B pickup for those who are following along here. But I did manage to rescue the following items. I always like stripping out sinks. Some nice brass. Oh, look at that. That's an interesting tool. I did not expect that. That's some kind of a tubing bender. There's a bit of interesting junk here, so I grabbed this bin here. I don't think there's too much. That's for cruiser. Piece of junk there. And then we got some, I don't know if this is cut off or not. There's the tubing. And then we got some jeans. And then, well, it seems I have grabbed a box full of shite is what I've grabbed. There might be a couple things in there, probably not. There's a nice, actually that's a heavy piece of copper right there. All right, that, and then also I fished this out and it's got some thermocouples in there and some, I don't know what everything else is in, what else is in here. Let's see. Oh, this is an HVAC guy. There's a bunch of, there's some capacitors. This thing's heavy. What's that? Ooh, there's a nice transformer. All right, so yeah, didn't make out too bad on the junk.